So yeah.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hello everyone, I'm Bhumi Pednekar.
I'm Ayushmann Khurana and we are playing Mudit and Sugandha in Shubh Mangal Saavdhan releasing on 1st of September.
Now we know that, we hope that most of you guys have seen the trailer and we know that you all have given it love, but we'll still talk about our characters a little. So my character's name is Sugandha. She is this innocent, sweet girl who has like a fairy tale romance planned in her head. It's the first time with Mudit that she experiences any sort of romantic intimacy with a man, and she just stands by him and his problem with all her faith. Yeah.
And Mudit is a simpleton from Delhi, middle class guy, endearing, sweet, not ambitious. He's done BCA, some computer application course, diploma, and is madly in love with Sugandha. And he has this problem of getting it up. Can't get it up. Can't perform in bed. Performance anxiety. जो लोग आपको एग्जाम से पहले होता है वो मुदित को सेक्स से पहले होती है. समझ रहे हो आप? So that's the problem he has. But Sugandha Sugandha's love for Mudit is beyond sex. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है Sugandha sex नहीं करना चाहती. She wants to have sex, but we are in this together. It's a journey of these two characters fighting performance anxiety of Mudit.
It's them against the world. It's them together trying to overcome this issue, and our film speaks about a lot of things that are sort of a taboo in our society, you know, be it premarital sex, somebody's performance in bed, and what a man should be like, you know. We've attached such masculine connotations to manhood that mard ko dard nahi hota, men are not weak, men don't cry. Our film is going to piss over all those ideologies that the society has come up with, and we are just keeping it real. We are celebrating we are celebrating the imperfections of a modern day romance.
True.
Amazing. Firstly, welcome Mudit and Sugandha, aka Ayushmann and Bhumi.
Namaste.
Hi.
So while you guys were just telling us about your characters and the movie, how would you describe Shubh Mangal Saavdhan to a family audience? Saying, you know, how would you convince them to go and watch the movie without, you know, telling them about erectile dysfunction and all the other touchy subjects that we cover?
We have used a lot of metaphors in the film, like we used the biscuit and chai, we have used gufa, various numerous dialogues, which are like, we have never spoken about sex or erectile dysfunction in the film, so that you can watch this with your entire family, just like Vicky Donor. It was treading the thin line of, you know, talking about a taboo subject. Still, you can watch this film with your entire family.
Okay. So before we start, we are going to play like a little dialogue promo from the film to just set the base. But before we do that, we would like you guys to introduce Shubh Mangal Saavdhan to the audiences, and in Hindi, if you can.
भाई और बहनों.
क्यों भाई बना रही है उनको? पागल हो गया क्या?
मेरे भाई नहीं, पर आयुष्मान की बहनों. हमारी फिल्म आ रही है शुभ मंगल
सावधान. भूमि के भाइयों और उसकी बहनों. कौन सी बहनें?
हमारी फिल्म आ रही है
शुभ मंगल सावधान 1
पहली सितंबर को, और ये एक बहुत ही तड़कती भड़कती रंगीली फिल्म है, लेकिन उसमें ऐसा कोई रंगीन काम नहीं हो. Let me complete my introduction.
Go for it.
Now I can't. You've broken my thought process. तो अब आयुष्मान इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे शुभ मंगल.
देखो यार, रंगीन फिल्में तो हम 70 के दशक से बन रही हैं. लेकिन हमारी यहाँ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है, और ऐसी फिल्म है जो आप सह परिवार देख सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं अपनी बीवी के साथ, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, दोनों के साथ देखिए, और अपना बिस्किट और चाय साथ में लेके जाइए. देखिए कहीं डूब ना जाए.
Because you've said such PG-13 things, in the introduction. बीवी के साथ देखिए, girlfriend के साथ देखिए. I said रंगीन, and it was like
बच्चों के साथ भी देखिए.
नहीं, but on a very serious note, ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो आप पूरे परिवार के साथ जाके देख सकते हैं. हमने इस फिल्म में किसी भी तरीके की प्रॉब्लम का मजाक नहीं उड़ाया है. हमने बहुत ही सेंसिटिविटी के साथ इस पूरे इशू को डील किया है, और ये मेनली एक लव स्टोरी है इन दोनों महान किरदारों की, मुदित और सुगंधा की.
मार्केटिंग में जॉब किए काफी कुछ बेचा है, पर अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन पहली बार दे रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ है
ना भी नहीं.
क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं, जेंट्स प्रॉब्लम है.
ये प्रॉब्लम अगर ठीक नहीं हुई ना, शादी तोड़ने में झिझक नहीं होगी मेरे को.
तो तोड़ के दिखा दो ससुर जी, आपकी बेटी को ना भगा के ले जाऊंगा.
And we're back. And that was the teaser for Shubh Mangal Saavdhan.
I hope
Looks
you guys...
very interesting though.
It is.
So, matlab, how did this movie come about? Like, matlab, you know, when someone approached you, Bhumi, when someone approached you, Ayushmann, how did they pitch it to you? How did, you know, you process the movie? Please share a little bit about that.
It was 3 years back when Prasanna approached, and I was in YRF that time, and he narrated me this subject, ki erectile dysfunction pe. I was like, wow, life has come full circle. This is like antithesis of Vicky Donor. Like इतनी बड़ी irony जिंदगी में नहीं हो सकती थी किसी के साथ यार. After like first film on sperm donation and then suddenly on male performance anxiety. Antithesis. But I think I'm the poster boy of taboo subjects in the country. I believe.
Below the belt topics, you know, that's what Ayushmann speaks about. Everything is below the belt.
Everything is below the belt.
Yeah.
Vicky Donor below the belt. Toilet एक प्रेम कथा below the belt. शुभ मंगल सावधान below the belt. दम लगा के इसमें इसको बेल्ट पूरी नहीं आती थी. तो everything is below the belt.
Amazing. So, shall we get to the first game?
Yes, please.
Awesome. So there was a dialogue trailer में Sharma ji तो problem क्या है? So I think inspired from that we've devised this game which is called तो problem क्या है, where we're making Bhumi and Ayushmann the experts, and we're calling it experts.
Oh, क्यों?
But these are love, relationship, bedroom issues that, you know, a few people are experiencing over the internet, and these are anonymous problems. So nowhere we're gonna, you know, blow this covers up. There are cue cards right in front of you which has some of these problems. All we want is Ayushmann and Bhumi's expert take on how can they actually resolve these issues. So you can read out the first situation and then give them a
So
solution.
the first situation is, if you and your partner think about sex at the same time, can it lead to pregnancy? क्यों sex education नहीं है हमारे देश में?
यार इनको और गुमराह करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं हाँ.
Yes.
It may lead to pregnancy.
Yes.
अगर सोच के साथ साथ आप सोच की बात नहीं करोगे यहाँ पे, टॉयलेट की बात नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे, सोच के साथ साथ इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं तो it will definitely lead to pregnancy.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
No
Next
sex
situation.
Next
education
question.
means that thinking about sex is going to lead. Oh,
Read.
okay. I popped the emergency contraceptive pill instead of my girlfriend. Can it cause any complications for me? Ayushmann, I think you're a boy. You should really tell people. You think it can cause any complication?
इसके बाद आप माँ नहीं बन पाएंगे. To all the guys. कुछ नहीं होगा यार. Flush it out. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? ये question, are these questions planted?
These are real questions from real people who are actually seeking answers
Are
on the
these people
internet.
real
Why
for
does
real?
our country not have sex education?
I think our country is having a lot of sex, but we don't have sex education.
Yeah.
That's the irony.
That's the
It's
irony.
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, next.
Okay,
Next
next.
situation.
Each time I try to get intimate with my girlfriend, I feel her ex's voice is coming from her navel.
Okay.
It is a major
Voice?
turn off. What do I do?
Is it a voice?
Voice.
Firstly, I want to know why you're thinking of your girlfriend's ex while you're with her. Like, I think you need to get your orientation
Ex's voice
right
is coming from a
first.
navel. Was your ex a naval officer?
No.
या सिंपल ऐसा करो अपनी एक्स
This is not allowed.
उसकी नेवल पे ना आप एक मास्किंग टेप लगा दो
This is not
आवाज आनी
allowed.
बंद हो जाएगी
This
as
is-
simple as that.
I can't deal.
Listen, can you deal with this question?
No,
then?
no.
My answer is better than the question.
I agree. I
Thanks,
agree.
sir.
No, but for real, like if someone's going through insecurity with their current partner, what would your advice be?
Yeah, no, insecurity is just that you need to talk about it. This is exactly what our film sort of, we hope that people start speaking about their problems because, you know, insecurities only happen when you've developed certain complexes. It could be because of the way you think of yourself or because of something that your partner has done, and just speaking about it is the best solution.
It's a great answer.
Amazing. And the final situation is
I'm worried about the size of my organ. My astrologer has advised me to pull it every day for 15 minutes while reciting a shloka. I've been doing this for a month, but it hasn't helped. What should I do? I think you should ask your astrologer to have sex with your partner.
What do you mean by pull it? Like, I don't know what that means. Won't it hurt?
क्योंकि हिंदी में मेल को पुलिंग
Pulling.
बोलते हैं.
Very good one. Like, guys, please.
Stop pulling. Do
stop.
thrilling.
Listen, this is really good.
Thanks, yeah,
This
thanks.
is so good. We've got gold. What a
Stop
what
pulling.
A,
Just
it's thrilling.
thrilling. Yeah. क्या कर रहे हो यार? अगर आपकी वाइफ आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड खुश है तो आपके ऑर्गन के साथ तो क्या कर रहे हो? It's okay. Just be happy.
Okay, let me just break this myth that size doesn't matter.
ये झूठ बोल रही है.
No. अरे, but how do you know?
It's a lie.
I want to
ये
know how does he
सरासर
know?
झूठ है, जज
Boys
साहब.
out there,
ऐसा नहीं
listen
हो
to me.
सकता. Okay?
Listen. No, let me
चल
not.
झूठी.
कोई insecurity और complexes मत रखो.
okay. On,
सफेद झूठ. इस चेहरे में झूठ छुपा है.
Okay, I think we
Listen,
should move on.
हाँ, go for it.
No, I have nothing more to lie about.
I think on that note, do you guys think that maybe this can lead to a possible future career of writing a column about
Yeah.
issues like
Yes,
these?
because I think that's what the way we are going. I think we will need a future career where we become sexperts. After Dam Laga Ke I shall become a nutritionist. After this one, I've become a sexpert.
Amazing. Okay, so on a
We are
slightly,
experts, yeah, for sure.
In our own lives, at least. Woo!
so on a slightly serious note, as we were talking about sex education and how the concept is pretty non-existent in India, who did you guys have the talk with, or if you ever experience issues, who did you go up to seek advice?
I actually, my sex education happened because I went through a bit of an experience when I was growing up where, I was, something had happened and my mom thought that she needs to tell me, and that's how my sex education started. But it was from my mother, and I'm glad it happened through her because, their whole purpose was to sort of tell us what good touch is, what bad touch is, how kisi stranger ke god mein jaake mat baithna sort of a thing. But yeah, I come from a very progressive family, and I was very lucky that I had parents that could tell me, don't be scared of the opposite sex, and that's why I think we are sort of okay.
Okay, I'm from Chandigarh, and it was in the 90s when I was in school, and there was no sex education. And my induction was to my peers, my seniors in school. So I think the times have changed now. But having said that, my parents were also quite progressive. When I had reached my teens, then my father once, he thought कि आज मैं अपने बच्चे को बताऊंगा कि sex क्या होता है. I was like, पापा मुझे पहले से पता है. He's like, आज you're 13 now, you should know.
पापा मैं आपको बताता
पापा
हूँ
मैं आपको
क्या
बताता
पूछना
हूँ
है.
ये ऐसे होता है.
अच्छा, जिस स्कूल के
आप स्टूडेंट हो, वहाँ प्रिंसिपल
हम वहाँ के प्रिंसिपल रह चुके हैं.
इतना नहीं था, प्रिंसिपल तो नहीं बना, स्टूडेंट ही था मैं. बट या माय फादर डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है. बट आई थिंक योर पेरेंट्स शुड गिव यू दे शुड बी द फर्स्ट वंस टू गिव यू दैट, इम्पार्ट दैट एजुकेशन, नॉट फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेंजर और योर फ्रेंड.
Great. So we'll take a few more fan questions. So please invite all your fans to send in their questions while we move on to the next game.
Hello everyone, Ayushman and I are here waiting for you guys to send in your questions, and we are more than happy answering most of them. Ayushman, लड़कियों को बोलो.
लड़कियों को
तुम्हारी
तो बोल दिया यार.
fans, whenever I go, लड़कियाँ, girls are crazy about Ayushman Khurrana, crazy. Like I've seen, like they just go googly-eyed and they're giving me the look that why is she standing there?
Really?
Yeah.
Then why
I've
was standing
sensed
there?
it. I don't have a choice, guys.
तो
It's,
क्यों
it's
खड़ी
my
होती है मेरे साथ तो
job.
फिर?
कि तू नहीं खड़ा हो पा रहा है मेरे साथ.
Double meaning. We just got that. Okay, so fans who are tuning in, please send in your questions for Ayushman and
okay.
Bhumi. And okay, while we let fans send in questions, do you guys want to play another game?
Okay.
Real
Yeah.
quick.
Come on.
Okay, since you guys are getting married in the film, it's only
Somebody has asked him, when are we going for a date, Ayush? And for some reason, she's done the potty emoticon.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
I think it's inspired by toilet.
Toilets. Plug in.
चलो.
Ha, okay.
So yeah,
Yes.
Game.
Okay. So while we will keep a track on all the interesting questions and we'll ask all of those at the end of the chat. So since you guys are getting married in the film, it's only fair to play a compatibility quiz with you guys.
Sure.
And these are compatibility questions about intimacy.
Ooh.
So yeah, we're taking
So
it a
Mudit and
step further.
Sugandha are playing this game.
Mudit and Sugandha, or yeah, you can play as each other also if you'd like. So yeah, there are markers
we
there. the
distribute
pink
these
cards. Yeah,
amongst each other.
to each other, and
Okay.
every question you have to write down your answer hidden from the other
I'll
person,
give you a pink slip very soon.
and then reveal it together. Okay?
No means no, Ayushman.
Okay.
No pink. That was bad.
So
Very bad. My PG quality is reaching you.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Savdhan?
attitudes.
and are we ready?
Yeah, Savdhan.
Okay. First question. What's the one thing that's a turn on for you?
For her or for both of us?
For you.
For me.
Yeah. And let's see if you guys are
For
compatible.
him.
A
Oh, for
turn
each
on
other.
him,
Okay.
Turn on for you, and then we'll see if you guys are compatible.
Okay.
Now?
Show it to the camera. Okay. Please
Turn on.
explain yourself.
Intelligence,
why you guys
yeah?
are doing that.
No, I just feel, I mean, I didn't go completely. I feel for me, or this
Yes.
is for him.
That's for you.
Oh.
एक दूसरे के
I
answer
love
ले-
food.
I love intelligence in the other person, so maybe that's why. Yeah.
So food and intelligence.
Yeah, but
Okay. Now think
but
about.
shouldn't it be like I should answer for him and he should answer
Yeah.
for me?
So it's a turn on for you and it's a turn on for him, and then we'll see if you guys are compatible.
Oh, okay, we've understood
Fine,
the game
okay.
wrong. We are ready.
Okay. So let's start with another question. Now.
Yeah.
Name one thing that's a turn off for you. Okay, we'll start with Bhumi.
Bad breath.
Body odor.
Huh,
Hey.
same family.
Yeah.
Yay!
So you guys get 1 point. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate the sex appeal of your co-star. Let's start with Bhumi. Show us your answer.
100 on 10. Better be. He's just cancelled everything.
Talent 100. I don't know what
I trying to say all I have is talent
Yeah,
and no sex appeal.
100.
But do you know talent is the sexiest?
Yeah, talent is the sexiest, for sure.
Okay. Roughly how many calories does kissing burn per hour?
You know this?
I know this.
Per hour.
Per hour.
You're kissing for an hour.
I'm
You'll die,
ready.
I think.
Can I write 2 answers? Because I'm not sure which one burns how what.
Go ahead. And we have no answer from Ayushman, so maybe.
This is. That's
I
not
actually
enough.
know this 'cause I've
That's not
read
enough to
about
burn
it.
calories, okay?
So there was a
You need
phase
to do
where
both
I had
stuff.
there was a phase where I had to lose 30 kg, so I thought of every possible.
Maybe 100 odd calories.
He's just seen my
100.
answer.
And what's your answer?
115.
Acha, that the 100 to nahi bol.
Okay, so the right answer is 160 calories per hour.
116.
160.
So I'm
160.
So
closer,
you
so,
are
I
closer,
win.
correct. So
Yeah.
who
But there's
wins
no
this?
win. We just need to be compatible,
Compatible.
which we clearly are not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next question. After how many dates should one consider making love?
Listen, I too can't answer.
Listen.
We can't answer.
This
This is a
is-
null and void
According to you.
question.
Uh,
I think-
I think if you want the relationship to last longer, third date.
Third date.
Just being a
Bhumi said
abla
fourth
no,
date.
just being a good nari. I saw his answer.
And the last question.
Yeah.
One word you would use to describe sex to a family audience. Now, I don't know why we can't say sex in front of a family audience, but to
Sex.
I think we'll say sex.
Okay, one word that you
Sex.
would use in front of like people that you're not very comfortable with.
Sex.
Okay.
Sambhog.
Chumban.
Well, let's turn this into like a competition. How many can you name? So let's see. Let's do that, okay?
Ready?
Sex,
So
sambhog,
words
or
to
kya?
describe sex.
Intercourse.
Okay, let's see. One by one you have to go.
Getting
right?
it on.
Okay.
Making out.
Can we get cheap? Bed.
No.
Please.
No, please,
But I
no.
only know cheap ones.
I also know cheap ones. Yeah, I'm just controlling myself.
Then I only know sex.
Okay. And that brings us to the end of compatibility test, and I think you guys are.
Clearly are not. But our characters are
Listen, our chemistry on screen is amazing.
bomb.com.
We're so different and we look so good together.
Bomb.com.
Amazing. Yes, so while we're getting some fan questions, the question is for the both of you. How was your first date experience? Do you guys remember?
Yeah, of course.
Would you like to share?
How old were we?
Ashman.
I was 16 that time. We went for this movie called Pukar. 15, 16, yeah. And yeah, it was quite it was embarrassing. In fact, she wanted to kiss me. I was like, I can't kiss you because I'm not sure whether I'll marry you or not.
So sweet.
So I was very conservative with my
So
mindset.
sweet.
So
Bhumi,
No,
do you not
it's
have a
not sweet.
first date experience?
it's such embarrassing experience.
First date experience.
It properly.
You know, Bombay, like you start early, yeah. Like I don't know. I
12.
was 14, I think. You said 16. I said shit. Now
She
I
was
have
14.
to lie about my
She was 14. I
answer.
was 16.
Huh.
So yeah.
So I was 14,
Girls get
and
mature
my
faster,
first
yeah.
date was after our tuition, math tuition in Juhu. And just by our tuitions, we had like this kirane ka, this general store kind of a thing where all the kids would hang because that was the coolest place in Juhu. But it was just sharing an ice cream and then getting so shy that I just ran away.
किराने की दुकान पे तेरी पहली डेट हुई थी.
Yeah, because AVM जिस स्कूल में थी उसके पास सिर्फ एक किराने की दुकान थी. So everybody has had their moments of love over there, over like an ice cream.
Okay, this is a question from Rita, and she wants to know: will you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage? Now I know you're already married, so whatever
Love.
your take
Of
is.
course, love marriage.
Love. We're too passionate. It has to be love.
Okay. Gautam Biswal is saying, Ayushman, आपके side वाली मैम बहुत beautiful है. I really love her.
कहाँ है? कहाँ?
अच्छा.
कौन सी? Thank you. What's his name?
His name is Gautam Biswal.
Thank you, Gautam Viswal.
Okay. A lot of questions about, working with each other for the second time. So it's your second movie, and, from the looks of it, it looks even better than the last one. So please share a little bit about that second film together. How are you guys feeling?
I think we are friends, and it's a great thing that friends work together. We have no formality. We are very transparent as people with each other. We can literally tell each other what is working, not working in a scene, and even in personal life. We're there for each other. And he's such an inspiring person to be around because he's such a good actor that I have to be like, Bhumi, up your game. Like, you can't let him take over the scene. No, I'm joking.
So sweet.
It's all good. Ayushman, you want to say some good things about me? Or my talent?
Bhumi is a seasoned actor, seasoned performer. This is a second film with me. And even in the first film, I think, पता ही लगता है इसको देख के पहली film कर रही है. She's so good. It comes from a casting background also at the same time. And she's the only one who's gone through this physical transformation. Nobody does that. Like, Amir Khan does that when he was 50. So you've never seen an Indian actor do that. So that's quite inspiring.
Thank you.
Amazing. So we'll answer some more fan questions, and we have one last game to play with you guys.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for that? So while we get ready to take more fan questions, this game is called Make That Face. It's very simple.
Okay.
We have 5 situations, and we have these reactions in front of you. So pick one, whichever one you like, and cover your face with it. And as soon as I give you a reaction, you have to make that face.
Oh no, that's my face otherwise also. So let me that seems
Okay.
too-
So when I give you a situation, get ready, and on the count of 3, make that face to each other, and you have to
Each
make
other.
the other person laugh.
Okay.
But also look at the camera. All right? Okay, situation number 1. When your parents walk into the room while you were making out.
I can't see his
Like this.
reaction.
Not this, should be this.
I'm going to be
Cover your
like,
crotch.
I can't see
Cover your-
anything.
Cover yourself. It's not the face. Wait, bed sheet. Where's the pillow?
Good one.
Okay, next.
Cover the boner.
All right, time for next situation.
Yeah.
You just ate a really hot mirchi. Go.
This is very lame, yeah.
Oh, because yours was so good.
No. Thanks, guys. But this is
Actually,
too
no, a
obvious.
cousin of mine, mirchi khane ke baad, she went and she stuffed a kapda in her mouth. So I swear. Okay, sorry.
Okay. Next situation. Oh, this is a funny one. Frozen to death. Go.
I don't know what is he doing. Look at the 3 claps that your performance got.
यार हम एक्टर उन्हीं 3 तालियों के भूखे होते हैं.
Frozen to death.
And the last one, and this is the funniest one. Passport size photograph.
Can I add in a pout? All my pictures.
कोई पाउट नहीं करता पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो पे यार.
मैं तो हर जगह पाउट करती हूँ, मैं करती हूँ.
आरटीओ वाला पागल हो जाएगा.
यही तो प्लान है. यही तो प्लान है.
I think Bhumi was very versatile, so
Yeah.
you are the winner for this game.
Thank
for
you.
sure. Definitely.
This is ridiculous.
Thank you.
What kind of-
देखो मैंने की real acting, you've hammed.
यार फिल्मों में हैम करने का मौका नहीं मिलता ना, इसलिए असली जिंदगी में हैम कर रहा हूँ मैं.
What's that?
Okay. So while we get ready to take some fan questions,
Ashwan is so cute.
let's play another quick teaser from the movie, and we'll come back and answer some fan questions.
Okay.
Yes.
किन्नी मुद्दत को ना बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. एड्स. तू पागल है? शेंस प्रॉब्लम.
शादी के कार्ड पे स्पेशल मेंशन दे दो मेरी इस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में.
मेरे पे भी उतना ही प्रेशर जितना आप पे. सबने सर खा लिया मेरा. जीजू कब आएंगे, जीजू कहाँ है, जीजू ये जीजू वो, और जीजू कैसे आए? फुस. रॉकेट धमाल.
We are the collector of mugs. जहाँ भी जाते हैं
And we're
mug
live.
लेते हैं.
Live.
We're back again.
Yeah. अरे फिर से
So please share something. Your fans just saw another teaser.
Puss.
Please
Puss.
give them.
जीजू कैसे आए? Puss. Okay.
So yeah, what do you want to do?
How to look? No, I'm not going to give any dietitian answers on Facebook. Sorry. It's great to watch you taking on some practical issues. Thank you so much, guys, for all the appreciation. Would
Please
you-
take fan names while you guys are answering that. They would love it.
Dilip, thank you so much. Deepika Paul, thank you so much for all your wishes, and we hope to keep taking interesting topics that we can make be a part of. Guys, send us some questions.
Yeah,
It'll
you
be
just-
fun.
yeah.
Send us questions.
The singing a song is too lame now. मतलब yeah, thank you for loving me, but you know, माहौल नहीं बन रहा गाना गाने का.
Okay, so there's a question for Ayushman from Pooja Kulkarni.
Yeah.
Firstly, it's a compliment. You are too handsome, just crushing on you. How do you play all these different kinds of roles that you do?
I don't know यार, हो जाता है बस.
भगवान की देन है.
भगवान की देन है, प्यार जैसे हो जाता है ना वैसे एक्टिंग भी हो जाती है. Just that you have to be one with the character and you should know the milieu right. That's it. You sort it then. Just react more than act.
Yeah.
Abhishek Tiwari has a question for Bhumi. Who are the actors in Bollywood that you wish to work with next?
All, yeah. I mean, I'm only 3 films old. 2 I've done. 2 I've worked with Ayushman. Everybody.
You want to work with everybody.
I want to work with everybody, all directors, all female actors, male actors. I want to keep working till I'm 80 or more.
Okay, so Dhyan Raj Kale wants to know from Ayushman, Bhai, what's your height?
Yeah, I'm 5'9".
Why this question? I mean, do you have anything to add to that?
No, this is like 5'9" and a half. All right. Half just sounds legit.
Yeah.
Shoe size is also 9. UK 9.
Bread tips.
This is a very
Somebody has
interesting
asked
question.
bread tips, please.
Bread tips.
Bread tips क्या होते हैं दीपक जी?
Brad Pitt होगा.
No, so there's a question before that from Balaji Madgundi, and he's saying, what is the message of the movie? I think this is your PSA time.
I think the message of the film is that, there are other ways that you can, there are other levels of intimacy that are equally strong. And that if you as a couple are going through any sort of trouble, have a conversation about it. Because especially if there's something like this, something that is troubling you in bed about your partner, have a conversation about it. Just don't be mum, because, your partner and you both will develop various complexes and things will just go from bad to worse. And it is okay to use the word sex. It is not a pap, and we are new age people living in heading towards an evolved society. So let's just be open-minded and broad-minded. Ayushman will give you a better message for the film.
No, this was such a long message. I think this is a very good message.
I have a
Longer the
habit.
better.
I talk. Yes. So she said.
So it was a very good message, but I think sex is very important in life. So if you have this issue, then just go and see an expert. Don't go to the quacks. Don't just sit at home and brush it under the carpet. Talk about it and just solve this problem. Simple.
There's another question from Rita. What's the best pickup line used on you guys?
Once I was shopping with my mom after Vicky Donor, and I went to this mall in Delhi, and there was this bunch of girls who were like, Vicky, we need your sperms. They were like, my mom was really embarrassed.
That is embarrassing.
अगर मैं अपने लड़के दोस्तों के साथ हूँ ना, I could have just given it back to them, but मम्मी के साथ
Your
तुम क्या
sperms?
बोलोगे? Yeah.
Okay.
Vicky, we need your sperms.
Okay, I'm coming.
Not so soon.
Okay.
What about you, Bhumi?
Guess who's just logged in? Why
Prasanna.
is your director a most amazing
Amazing
guy?
guy.
Guys, this is our director, R.S. Prasanna, who is on Facebook all the time. He's, I think, the most loyal of Facebook.
Prolific Facebooker.
We know. Why is Prasanna an amazing guy? I think he's okay.
Prasanna is a nice guy, the youngest
I
director.
think he's okay.
I think only 84 born director I've ever worked with. So
So that's the reason that you think he's the most amazing. Prasanna, you clearly know
your
where
age is
Ayushman
on your
comes
side,
from.
yeah. That's it.
Age.
Otherwise, you're okay.
I think he's a brilliant director. What an evolved guy. What a sensitive person as compared to age.
Yeah, you're an amazing Tambram.
Tam
And making a
Ram.
film
Budweiser.
on North, you are so multicultural, multilingual.
Budwai.
You're multi.
Amazing.
Multivitamin.
Just see who has come online and decided to
Yeah.
spam our conversation.
Prasanna says ha ha ha.
We don't,
Yeah,
Prasanna. We
okay.
don't love you.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. We'll move
Prasanna,
on.
we love you.
And finally,
A lot.
we'll obviously say hi to a few more people. But before we can let you go, we have to do the Who Will Last Longer challenge.
Okay.
So there are biscuits and there's
All right.
a chai right in front of you guys.
चाय आपकी ठंडी हो गई या बिस्किट नहीं गिरेगा?
हाँ.
Let's see who will last longer then.
But actually, अगर चाय ठंडी है तो बिस्किट definitely गिरना चाहिए. Nothing, it's okay. Sorry, it didn't work.
इतना cheap joke था ना यार ये भूमि.
It was
Ready?
CJ. Cheap joke.
3,
Okay, I'm
2,
sorry.
1, go.
Actually, mine is out.
चल चल
ये क्या कर रहा है यार?
चल.
क्या से remove it?
हाँ. ये नहीं होगा यार. चाय बहुत ठंडी है.
And there is no erectile dysfunction in this room at all.
Oh
So-
God, I think mine is happening.
Oh! So yeah,
Damn it! Aishman.
सच्चाई कुछ और ही है जिंदगी की.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, guys. This has been a
Thank
lot of
you.
fun. Now,
Thanks,
before
guys.
we can let you guys go, Ayushman, one message for all your fans. You have 1 minute and you can use as many languages as you want and give them any message. Please tell them when they can go watch the movie and then we'll come back to Bhumi.
किद्दां सत श्री अकाल सलाम नमस्ते. मेरा नाम है आयुष्मान खुराना. मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म आ रही है शुभ मंगल सावधान विद भूमि पेडनेकर. बहुत ही ਵਧੀਆ ਫਿਲਮ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਣ ਜਾਓ. अब ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਥੀਏਟਰ ਹੈ ਜਾਓ ਵੇਖਣ ਜਾਓ. 1st of September ਨੂੰ and you love the film. It's quirky, it's funny, it's a family entertainer. बहुत ही सर्वगुण संपन्न फिल्म है हमारी और भूमि और मैं फिर से प्रस्तुत हो रहे हैं आपके सामने दम लगा के ईशा के बाद. और टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा और बरेली की बर्फी की अपार सफलता के बाद हम लेकर आ रहे हैं शुभ मंगल सावधान स्टैंड अप फॉर लव.
And your time starts now.
Hi, I'm Bhumi Pednekar. Please go watch our really fun film Shubh Mangal Saavdhan on the 1st of September. You're gonna laugh, you're gonna cry, you're gonna love Sugandha and Mudit because they are so innocent and through their journey, you realize the kind of funny situations that arise. And I promise you, please go with your family because it is a family film and you're gonna have a blast. And that's all I have to say. Breathless moment has happened.
Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.
See ya guys,
Bye.
bye bye.